Hello, I'm Nicola Shaw. I'm the Director for Bus, UK, Ireland and Germany. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to First's Drive Green, powered by GreenRoad. Our Drive Green system will help prevent injuries. It builds on the Smith system and has a specific objective to help you drive more safely and more efficiently. By using the system together, we'll reduce collisions, on-bus injuries, and we'll make our passengers happier. We'll also reduce our carbon footprint by consuming less fuel. This is a tool for you. It can only work with your involvement. Please give us feedback, and we'll make system improvements together.
As a driver, this will improve your working environment. It will help you concentrate more, it will help you feel safe, and help you drive safely. It doesn't matter how long you've been doing the job, whether you've been doing it 5 minutes or 40 years, that everyone can always learn something, and any system that's put in place that helps you self-assess and improve, it's a benefit. Once the vehicle is being driven correctly, it reduces wear on the vehicle, reduce wear on the parts, and of course use less fuel. You'll know you'll be helping the environment, and that's an important step. It will become part of your daily working life. That's just like booking on in the morning, using a ticket machine. It'll just be part of your environment.
Hello, I'm John and I'm going to show you the Drive Green system. Whenever a driver gets in a vehicle, he uses his driver ID key to touch in and identify himself to the bus. It's important for drivers to touch in so that the journeys they make are recorded and they can look at their performance later on. The system is very straightforward to use. I don't need to interact with it, it just records my driving and displays it on the dashboard. There are 3 LEDs on the display. The solid light shows the score for that journey, so if I have a solid green light it means that my journey is generally low risk. If I have a solid amber light it means that the journey is classified as a medium risk, and a solid red light tells me that my driving is a higher risk. If the LEDs are flashing, that shows me a rating for a manoeuvre I've made rather than the journey. So if I have an amber flashing light, it means that the manoeuvre I've just made is classified as a medium risk manoeuvre. If I have a red flashing light, it means that the manoeuvre has been classed as a higher risk. There are no green flashing lights. All the data that's recorded by the bus is stored on the Drive Green computer system. As I accelerate around this bend, it could potentially knock somebody over, and so it's a more risky manoeuvre, and so now I've got an amber LED on the dashboard. The score for your journey is the average of the score of all your manoeuvres, and the average for your driver profile is the average score of all your journeys. I'm going to demonstrate a higher risk manoeuvre now by braking hard. If I brake very hard, I'll find that I get a red LED on the dashboard to show that that was a higher risk manoeuvre. That would cause discomfort to the passengers. Since I've started using this system, I've found my driving has changed. I've become much calmer and it's much less stressful to drive. If you want to view your profile, log into the Drive Green website with your user details. So I'll type in my username and my password and click login. Now I've logged in, I can see my profile. I can see my weekly scores for the previous weeks, my current score. Here you can see the 5 key areas of driving: acceleration, braking, cornering, lane handling and speed handling. Down here I can see my trip history for the current month and I can have a look in a bit more detail. The useful thing about going into an individual journey is that you can see the reasons why the LEDs flashed amber or red at a certain time. For example, this was accelerating into a turn. I can use a combination of the feedback from the LEDs on the dashboard of the bus and from the information in my driver profile to see where I can improve my driving.
The system is very easy to use. You will enjoy using it, and most importantly, you will get benefit out of it by improving your own skills.